everyone, my name is Dewa Ayumade Istri Kuntiari. You can call me Istri. My absent number 3. Now I would like to present the topic 3. We will be learning about technical terms of beverage. The goal of this lesson is by the end of the lesson, it is expected that students can understand terms of beverage and able to explain them. Next is classification of beverage. First, alcoholic beverage is portable liquid which contain 2% to 75% of liquor. Alcoholic beverage has been divided into two categories. There are first ferment alcoholic beverage and the second is distilled alcoholic beverage. Example of alcoholic beverage: first, gin made from a mixture of berries and orange pills and has an alcoholic content of 35 until 55%. Gin is usually the main ingredient in martini mix. And number second, tequila. Derived from the central distillation of the blue agave plant, tequila is naturally sweet due to its high sugar content. The average tequila contains 40% alcohol. Alright, number 3 is brandy. This ferment and distilled wine usually has 40% alcohol. One of the well-known type of brandy is cognac. Number 4 is whiskey. Made by distilling a dough from pre-fermented grains at high temperature, the whiskey is then stored as long as possible in oak barrels. And then the ethanol content is this alcoholic drink usually reach 40% until 50%. And number 4 is vodka. This alcoholic drink is also made by distilling fermented dough, but the main ingredient is potatoes, sometimes also mixed with fruit and milk. The average vodka contains 45% alcohol. And then for alcoholic beverage, mention Chinaware, usually used for serving alcoholic beverage. And number 2 is non-alcoholic beverage, refers to non-intoxication drinks. In hospitality industry, the non-alcoholic beverage as essentially provide and serve as breakfast, lunch, and dinner with or without meal for the customer. First, the example of non-alcoholic beverage. Avocado juice. The benefit of avocado juice, if consumed frequently, are very useful for skin and beauty. Apart from its delicious and refreshing taste, avocado juice has myriad of benefits for the body. The technique of making it is a blender, and how to serve is using Chinaware. And number 2, coffee is useful in increase stamina. Caffeine can help break down fat in the body and make its use for stamina. The manufacturing technique is the drip method or coffee drop. This method is also called the filter method. Until recently, the drip method was the most popular way of making coffee because of the simplicity and efficiency ways of making. Water is poured into the ground coffee, which is placed on filter paper, leading to the coffee vessel to brew. Simply heat the coffee vessel and the coffee is ready to be served. Number 3 is milkshake. Can also help increase our bone density. The thing is, milk contains phosphor which can help our bone not easily porous. Milk also contains vitamin A which can maintain immunity. The technique for making milkshake is by blending and mentioning. And number 4, the last one, is orange squeeze. Orange is rich in vitamin A, which is very good for our body. The technique of making orange squeeze is by mixing all ingredients needed. And then for non-alcoholic beverage, mentioning Chinaware also usually for use to serving. Thank you for your attention and see you in my next video. Thank you.